Alright. Back to the other side. Nothing over that way. That way is the direction of the lake. You can see some. 1, 2, 3 shows. And then over here, right next to us, and you see a bunch in that direction.
Look at them. Just hold on to me. See all of them out there? Yeah.
Going crazy.
Oh, all that way.
And go back around. You see them in between buildings.
Put Mom in this chair.
Alright.
Switch it forward. Don't go backwards.
I won't.
There you go. Oh, it's getting exciting. It's building.
Yeah. That area is the best though. This one right here.
Yeah, over there.
These people know what they're doing. They've got the money. That's actually towards the airport. Where there's lots of fields.
That's just going crazy over there.
Yeah. Alright, lots over there. In between buildings. Over by the lake. That's the lake over there. Right here. And then this way is the stadium. But that area wins, like, that's the most. Although now towards the lake it's getting pretty intense. Woo! Yeah, that's intense. Yeah? Okay. Coming. Expecting a short person to get something?
5 minutes till New Year's.
Yeah?
All around the city. It's going crazy.
Oh, yeah, that part is crazy too. Look at that.
Oh, this is insane.
You guys should come to our patio! Michael!
Michael, come over here.
Get over here, look, look. This is nuts. It's like alien invasion nuts. That's crazy. Oh my god. I gotta go look at my back patio. I'm going. Woo! This is the best. Oh my god. Holy shit! Oh! Why would you go anywhere else for New Year's Eve? Oh my god! This is insane! Like tears in my eyes! This is crazy! Oh my god! Kiss me! Happy New Year! Love you! Holy shit! back here to the right. It's like we're generating our own cloud layer.
This is amazing.
Fuck double rainbow.
Double rainbow my ass.
You got nothing on Albania fireworks on New Year's Eve. Jesus. Alright, so New Year's Eve next year we need to have a party.
Oh my god, yes.
Charge cover. This area right here in particular is like the good stuff. Can you smell the smoke? I can smell it. It's crazy. There's more on the other side. All right, let's go.
It's the same. It's amazing everywhere.
This is awesome. Whoa.
The big stuff is over the,
Whoa, the lake.
the square.
It's cloudy now. You can't even... Look, there's a cloud layer. Oh my god. Are you getting a show? Have you ever seen anything like this in your life? No. We should have charged cover charge.
Oh, that's awesome.
That's the stadium over there. Whoa. Yeah. This is just insane. Whoa, 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 whoa. You okay, Michael? That's next to his apartment. They're lighting them in the apartment. Jesus. Whoa. Are they okay? Oh my god. Alright, it's starting to slow down. I think. So far it's going off next door.
Yay.
Was it Michael doing those?
No.
Okay.
Just under it.
Right? That's crazy.
Oh, I think that's it.
I think so.
Yay.
Woo! Okay, always count on me for a woo.
Girl.
I'm a woo girl.
What'd you think, Mom?
That's unbelievable. Gift that keeps on giving.
It really
It's
is.
still going. Yeah.
They said it goes on for like 30 minutes in some areas.
That, the one over the stadium. That was amazing.
This makes up for not doing our fireworks on Dime Box in Austin. Love you guys back in Austin. I wish you were here with us. Still going on over by the lake. So that area where the big ones are is where the stadium is and the president's house. Pretty awesome. I'm gonna stop it at 15 minutes. I'm gonna go back to the other side and see what's up. But it's slowed down now. Woohoo! Alright, going back to the other side. Let's see. Out in the burbs. How we looking? Smoky. Still some stragglers. Been going strong over that way. That's the mountain straight ahead. You can see like a little bit of the lights from the top of it. Over here was crazy earlier. Slowed down. Nice. All right, let's go back to the big side, the city side. Watching Shang-Chi. Heading back. Still going over here? All right. Think. Starting to get quiet again. All right. It's okay. It doesn't hurt the video at all. I expect we'll hear little bits of fireworks for the rest of the night. On and off. Let's see if I can get any angles over here that are different. Doesn't look like it.
Steve, I won.
Oh, you did? Good. Happy New Year, everybody.